Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to make a new post. So I've already gone to the post sections and I don't want you to click new post. What I want you to do is come down and find a post similar to yours, and I want you to take and duplicate it. And I'm going to click duplicate. And what it's going to do is going to duplicate the existing word. It's going to have some of the same setups. It's not going to fill in the categories that it takes for you, but it will keep the same image, and we'll get to that later. So after I do that, you can see that Divi's built it out, but it doesn't have anything in it. So Divi needs to build the duplicate post too. So you can go and find existing layouts or your saved layouts or your existing pages and posts. And I'm going to look for existing post, and I'm going to copy the Sangora post, and then you can see it builds out, and then it fills everything in, and then you actually have a duplicate copy of the Sangora post, minus the categories and a few other things. So then you can take and edit away here and make any changes you want. You can change all this content to take it out and do what you want with it and be creative if you want. It is better to put the text into the website than adding a PDF because the text is more readable. The other thing you're going to want to do is come up here and you're going to want to change the title to what your new post topic is going to be, whether it's Christmas or a new product or service that you guys are offering. And then we're going to go ahead and publish this. And as it's publishing, I want to talk about this button here. It's the actual permalink or the URL link that's in there, and you can actually edit that so it doesn't come up with the same ones you want before. And we're just going to call it new-post. You don't want any spaces in there because it's harder for the browsers to resolve it. So then we're going to hit update again, but I'm going to take and I'm going to click on this here. Yeah, wait for it to update. Right click here, I'm going to go over here and actually look at the page. So the page is similar to what I want. It says new post now, and it shows the other old posts in the module section for the blog. But here's the trick. If you click on enable builder here, you can actually build from the front side of the website. It does take a minute to load, but it can be pretty nifty. And as you can see, you can start to see the sections and the blocks and the modules all build out here. And if I click on here, close to it says new post, I can actually pull up the content here, just like I would anywhere else, and add it in. So I can edit the post here. Whatever I want changes, I could come over here and I could edit this picture here if I want. I can change the picture out to something more interesting. I can go and upload a file, or I can add a media library file. And just for fun, we're going to add a picture of my muskie, and we're going to upload that image, and then the muskie is in there, and then I can put the description of the muskie or whatever I want. And then when you come down, here's the next trick, is this purple button on the bottom here. You need to click save here in order for it to save. One nice thing about building from this side though is not only can you edit the text from this side, but you can also edit the CSS from this side too if you wish. So under here there's the design, you got your layouts, your sizing, your spacer, your borders, there's all kinds of stuff, and you can even do advanced CSS if you wish there, but your content's going to be right there, and you can do that. So you can actually move and make a post around. Say you don't want this section on there, I can delete that, and then I'll go just have this getting started section, and then of course I would need to save again one more time before I would end.